Hello, I am Samantha Lakshana Aliyah. Today, we are going to study how to locate places on Earth using coordinate system. But, how can we find the position of a place on Earth? Different ways can be used in locating places on Earth. Some of these are compass, radar, GPS, maps, and globes. Today, we will use maps and globes. A map is a two-dimensional graphical representation of an area, land, or sea depicting physical features. A globe is a three-dimensional spherical model of the Earth. What do they share in common? Yes, they both are made of horizontal and vertical lines which intersects with each other. We cannot see this on the surface of the Earth, but they are imaginary lines. The horizontal imaginary lines that run from east to west of a map or a globe is called latitudes, and this is measured in degrees. The starting line of latitude measurement is the equator, and it reads as 0-degree latitude. It is divided into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere is an area located above the equator up to the North Pole. The southern hemisphere is an area located below the equator down to the South Pole. The vertical imaginary lines that run from north to south of a map or globe is called longitudes. They extend from pole to pole on a globe. The starting point of a longitude is the prime meridian, which is located on 0 degree. It is divided into Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. Western Hemisphere extends from prime meridian to 180 degrees going to the left, and Eastern Hemisphere extends from prime meridian to 180 degrees going right. When these latitudes and longitudes combine, we can locate any place on a map or a globe. Now let us locate the place through coordinates. Coordinates are a pair of numbers that describe the position of a point. Example, 30 degrees south, 60 degrees west. 30 degrees south is the latitude and 60 degrees west is the longitude. The point where they intersect is the place that these coordinates represents. Let us have some example. Which country is located 13 degrees north and 122 degrees east? First, we need to find the location of the latitude, which is 13 degrees north. Draw horizontal line as guide. Next, let us find the location of the longitude, which is 122 degrees east. Point the location and draw a vertical line to serve as guide. The third step is to find the intersection of the latitude and longitude lines. We can see that the point lies on the Philippines. Therefore, Philippines is approximately located on 13 degrees north and 122 degrees east of this map. And that is how you find a certain place on Earth using coordinate system. There you go! You have learned how to locate places on Earth. Thank you for watching and keep on learning!